We'll go north. If we have to flee here, we'll travel north.
If you live in South Oklahoma City, please go below ground or drive out of the way and do it right now. Do it right now. This is a major hook turning to the right of south. There's Southwestern Chambers right there. Lower part, there's the FAA. There's OCC. There's downtown Oklahoma City. The hook is completely wrapping up. It may be a developing large violent tornado. So if you can leave South Oklahoma City and go south, you can do it right now.
It's okay, Mace. It's okay, buddy.
Not by very much.
It's okay, buddy.
Everybody down here, if you can, we would really encourage you to go below ground, storm cellar, safe room, or basement.
It's okay,
if you know
buddy.
anybody on your block that has one of those places, go over there, knock on their door, and they'll invite you in. But do it now. Don't wait. If you wait, it may be too late. The door may be closed. They might be in their storm cellar. They won't hear you knocking on the door. Go do it now. Do it now. Don't wait for it to get any closer to you. We have to make the assumption that this is going to happen because there's a tornado emergency in effect for all of South Oklahoma City. And do that now. Or get in your car and drive south. Go drive down to at least central